Hello guys, today I would like to insulate my garage door, the panels, because it's getting hot in summer and it's getting cold in winter. I'm in Dallas, Texas. The weather is not that harsh, but still it would be good to have a warmer garage in winter and cooler garage in summer. First, after I insulate these panels, then I will also seal those gaps. As you can see, the light coming out of the garage door. So the problem here I have is my garage is 8 feet high and 19 feet wide, and as you can see I have 20 panels here. That's why most of the insulation kits will come short, and I will be missing one row at least, given the dimensions of other kits. Also, as you can see here, this panel is around 20-inch high, and the top one and the bottom one are much higher, so that needs also some modification to the panels. When I made my search, at the end I decided to go with this Insulfoam from Lowe's. It has 8 panels in it. All of them have 20 inches and a quarter high and 54 inches wide, and the thickness is around 1.25 inch. There are 8 panels in one pack, and apparently I had to buy 3 packs because only 2.5 will do my garage door. One thing you need to be careful that there are these patterns on the steel door to avoid wobbling and to strengthen the steel. So when you measure your height, if you have this strengthening bar or not, you need to measure from the tallest point to your brace so that you may fit the panel inside this one. So mine was around 1.5 inch. The problem is you cannot find really foam boards with 1.5 inch and wider than 4 feet. So that's why I had to buy this one, which is the thickest I could find, with 1.25 inches. And let's see how it works, whether it will move or not inside the panels, and I have another plan for that purpose. The panels are actually great because on one side they have a shiny, like vinyl looking surface. On the other side they have these tiny slots, so that if you want to insert this into a narrow area, I think you can just flex the foam board a bit, so it will bend in, and we will be able to insert this into the panels. Because if you take the dimensions from inside of this brace and down to this one, then it would be very challenging to push it in, right? And most probably some of you may have these reinforcement bars. I think I will need to remove them temporarily just to put these in. So you can see how much I can just bend it in, so that I will fit it inside the braces. So that's pretty convenient and cool, so the board doesn't crack when you try to bend it. So here's the end product after using 2.5 packs of the insulation material. The good thing is that they don't sag like the vinyl covers. They don't look like a piece of vinyl or cloth cover. They are quite flat, shiny, and I believe it will also contribute to the lighting of my garage. One thing you may want to keep in mind, although these are not heavy, still it adds up a bit of weight to your garage door. So just make sure that when you release your garage door, it can still stand by itself on the halfway. Otherwise, you may want someone, a professional, because it's quite dangerous to do it yourself, just to tighten your springs a little bit so that you don't burn your motor garage door opener, because the door is now heavier than the previous without insulation one. Thank you for watching.